Here we have a 2010 extra long wheelbase L4 Ford Transit Dropside in white. Being the L4, it's got the extended frame. It's also got twin rear wheels for extra weight and security when driving. It's a used van, so it's going to have various marks, but the bodywork in the front of the cab is relatively clean and tidy. No horrible damage anywhere. It's a very clean, for its age, vehicle. Two marks on the front bonnet, so the front wing. Bonnet's all good. Small marks down here. I think you get the idea of the vehicle. The floor, the back's all solid. No holes or rot. These sides fold down. We'll do that quickly so you can see it. It's got a long MOT until January next year, well, January 2025. The vehicle with the sides down. Show you in the cab. Seats have recently been valeted, so they're in nice condition. Floor, good condition as well, there's no rips in the floor. There is a small hole on this side of the driver's seat. We will endeavour to get that repaired for you upon sale. It's just a case of stitching it back up. It's not a big deal. We will try to do that upon sale. The vehicle has got two keys with it. There's one main key. There's another spare key, which also opens the bonnet. Turn the vehicle on. This drives absolutely perfectly. There's no warning lights on. No strange noises. Full power. Clutch and gearbox are all good. Changes gear nicely. No crunches. No popping out of gear. No whining in any gear. It's a really nice drive. Idles nice and smoothly as well. There's no misfires. Steering smooth. No power steering pump noises. No suspension noises when steering. It's all perfect. And the biting point of the clutch is just here as well. So clutch biting point isn't too high or too low. To move the vehicle back a little bit. Now on private property, so if I'm recording with the phone. Windscreen's good, there's no cracks or chips in the windscreen. That's pretty much it. It's only one former keeper, so it's a low owner vehicle. Some paperwork with it, previous MOTs, things that have been done on the vehicle. It's not. It doesn't have a full service history, but it's come direct from a local company. They've part exchanged it for a much newer model. They say it's absolutely perfect. It's just not ULEZ compliant, which is the reason why they're selling it. Heater blower works fine. The only other thing to mention is it only locks off the key, the van. So when you lock it, you need to lock it with the key. It doesn't work off the buttons. If you do have any more questions about this truck, feel free to get in contact. Our office number is 01753 267 270. We can arrange finance, we do offer free UK delivery, and we do welcome part exchanges as well. Any more questions, please get in contact. Only other thing to mention is it does also come with a 1-year warranty. There's no mileage restrictions on that, just a £250 claim limit per claim. So no mileage restrictions. If anything goes wrong with the vehicle under our terms and conditions, then we'll contribute £250 towards the repair. Any more questions, please get in contact and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot, bye bye.